Good morning, detective. I have an interesting case for you. Someone has just reported a stolen guitar and he has asked us for assistance in recovering the stolen guitar.
This sounds like a good case. I will take this case and I guarantee that I will find the guitar, or else my name is not the math detective. You can count on that.
Okay. There are a series of clues based on principles of geometry. Each clue is an answer to a specific math problem, which will lead you to the location of the stolen guitar.
I can definitely handle this case because I am the math detective. Whatever math problem I come across, I can surely solve it. So, I will have no problem gathering all the clues.
The math you will be dealing with in this case is over the perimeter, area, and volume of similar figures. I hope you can remember all of your geometry.
Of course. The perimeter ratio of similar figures is the side ratio simplified. The area ratio is either the perimeter ratio or scale factor squared. The volume ratio is cubed.
Very impressive, math detective. I believe you are ready for this case.
Okay. Is there anything else I need to know?
Yes. The guitar was stolen from the owner of the local convenience store. That is where you will find the first clue. Once you solve the first clue, you will be led to the next one.
Okay. Thank you. Why would someone steal a guitar from a convenience store? What happened?
The guitar is missing.
Well, suck it up and just tell me everything.
Okay. Well, I put the guitars on display right before I left, because it was the end of the day. Then, the next day, I turned on the lights and only found one of the guitars there.
So, you didn't see who took the guitars?
No.
Okay. May I look around?
Sure.
Thank you for your time. What is that? It looks like a math problem. Let's solve it. Find the ratio of the perimeters and the areas if triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. First, make a side ratio and simplify. The answer is 2/3. According to the areas of similar polygons theorem, we need to square the side ratio to get the area ratio. After we do that, we get 4/9. And those are our answers. There is our first clue, and the vending machines are where we need to go next. This is a weird place to be right now, but look, another clue. Find the unknown area. This is easy. Okay. First, we have to make a side ratio, which is 15/20. Then, you simplify the ratio to 3/4. Next, you put x over the area of the blue polygon. After that, you cross-multiply the two fractions and get 4x equals 720. You divide both sides by 400 and then x will equal 180. Wow! The answer is the locker number. Our next place to go is the river. Let's go. Look. A paper plane. It looks like there is something written on it. Let's check it out. Find the length of xy. So, the first thing we have to do is find the side ratio, which is 7/28. Then, you simplify it to 1/4. Next, you find the square root of the side ratio, which is 1/2. Then, you make a proportion of 1/2 equals 4/x. And to get the answer, you cross-multiply, making x equal 8. Wow! It was easy. Sometimes I forget to square or square root the scale factor. Another clue discovered. Looks like I'm going out to eat for dinner tonight. Well, it looks like I have an angry date.
Why do you look like that?
I'm just confused. No offense, but why are you here?
I came to give you that sheet of paper on the table.
Why?
Let's just say I know everything. I'm leaving now. Good luck.
Well, thanks. Bye. It was weird. Let's take a look at this. Two similar cylinders have volumes of 12 pi cubic units and 324 pi cubic units. Find the scale factor of the smaller cylinder to the larger cylinder. This is easy. So, first you make a volume ratio, which is 12 over 324. Then, you simplify it to 1 over 27. After, you cube root it and you get 1 over 3. And that is the scale factor. We are almost done. Wow. Just one more clue and we will find that stolen guitar. I guess it's off to the train station elevator. And there is the last clue. Okay. Cylinders A and B are similar with a scale factor of 2 to 5. Find the volume of cylinder B, given that the volume of cylinder A is 128 pi cubic feet. So, we know that the scale factor is 2 to 5. According to the similar solids theorem, we need to cube the scale factor to get the volume ratio. Now, we need to make a proportion of 8 over 125 equals 128 pi over x. Then, you cross multiply and get 8x equals 16,000 pi. Divide both sides by 8 and you get about 6,283.19. That is all the clues we need. Now, it is time to find the guitar and catch the thief. We know who he looks like and where the guitar is located. Let's go. Yes. I found it.
Hey. What are you doing?
You're the criminal. You are under arrest.
Stop right there, thief.
Great job. You caught him.
Thanks.
This sucks.
Take him to jail. How did you know that he was the thief?
I had a little help.
Hello, detective.
What are you doing here?
I told you I knew everything. The chief wanted me to follow you throughout this mission,
Why?
just to make sure your math is correct.
Well, the math was kind of hard, but I solved every math question and got through it.
Yes, I know.
Can I have my guitar back?
Oh. Here.
Thank you.
Well, our work here is done. Let's go back to the headquarters.
Congratulations on another successful mission. You are rewarded with mathematical knowledge.
Thank you, Chief.
Congrats, detective. This store owner is also happy for you. He wanted me to give you this.
Wow. Thank you, everyone. I couldn't have done it without you guys.